Welcome to this episode of our video, where we will be discussing one of the most important and exciting topics of our time, artificial intelligence or AI and its future. AI has already become an integral part of our lives, from the smartphones we use to the algorithms that power our social media feeds. But what lies ahead for this rapidly evolving technology? First, let's define what we mean by AI. At its core, AI refers to machines that can learn, reason, and solve problems in a way that mimics human cognition. There are different types of AI, including machine learning, natural language processing, and robotics, but they all share the goal of creating intelligent machines. They will become more common in the coming years. Autonomous vehicles have the potential to reduce accidents, increase efficiency, and improve access to transportation for people who are unable to drive. In addition to self-driving cars, we may also see advancements in other areas such as drones, which could be used for everything from delivering packages to monitoring crops and wildlife. AI is also transforming the world of healthcare. As I mentioned earlier, robots are being used to perform complex surgical procedures. In addition, AI is being used to analyze medical data and develop new treatments for diseases. For example, researchers are using machine learning algorithms to analyze large datasets of medical images to help diagnose and treat diseases such as cancer. Another area where AI is likely to have a big impact is in education. We are already seeing the beginnings of this with the use of online learning platforms and adaptive learning software. In the future, we may see AI-powered virtual tutors that can provide personalized feedback and guidance to students. These virtual tutors could adapt to a student's learning style and pace, providing instant feedback and guidance to help them learn more effectively. One of the biggest concerns about the future of AI is the potential for job displacement. As more tasks become automated, there is a risk that many jobs will be eliminated. However, it's important to note that AI is also likely to create new job opportunities in areas such as data analysis, software development, and robotics. In addition, AI has the potential to make many jobs safer and more efficient, reducing the risk of workplace injuries and increasing productivity. Another important consideration is the ethical implications of AI. As AI becomes more complex, it may become difficult for humans to understand how it makes decisions. This can lead to concerns about bias and discrimination, as well as worries about AI being used to make decisions that could have significant impacts on society. It's important for policymakers and businesses to work together to develop ethical guidelines and ensure that AI is transparent and accountable. In education, NLP can be used to create personalized learning experiences for students. For example, NLP algorithms can analyze student writing to identify areas where they need help and provide feedback on how to improve their writing skills. This can help students learn more effectively and improve their overall academic performance. In customer service, NLP can be used to create chatbots and other virtual assistants that can provide assistance to customers. These bots can answer frequently asked questions, help customers troubleshoot problems, and provide personalized recommendations based on a customer's previous interactions with a company. In the entertainment industry, NLP can be used to create more realistic and immersive virtual assistants and chatbots. For example, imagine a video game where you interact with a virtual character that can understand and respond to your natural language input. Another important area of development in AI is in the field of explainable AI. As AI becomes more complex, it can be difficult for humans to understand how it is making decisions. This can lead to concerns about bias and discrimination, as well as worries about AI being used to make decisions that could have significant impacts on society. Explainable AI refers to the ability of machines to explain their decision-making process in a way that humans can understand. This is critical for ensuring that AI is transparent and accountable, and that humans can trust the decisions that are being made by machines. Finally, it's worth noting that the development of AI is not without its challenges. One of the biggest challenges is the need for large amounts of data to train AI algorithms. This data can be difficult to obtain and may be subject to privacy concerns. Additionally, AI algorithms can be vulnerable to attacks such as adversarial examples, where malicious actors deliberately feed incorrect data into a machine learning algorithm to manipulate its output. Overall, the future of AI is both exciting and challenging. As AI continues to evolve and become more powerful, it has the potential to transform a wide range of industries and solve some of the world's biggest problems. However, it's important to approach this technology with caution and ensure that it is developed in a way that benefits everyone in society. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe the Chosen Squad. Like this video and comment below.